How to add Midjourney to private server. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Discord and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now tap on this plus icon to join the server. Tap on join a server at the bottom. Now in this invite link section, you need to enter Midjourney and then click on join server. There you go, the Midjourney server has appeared. Now what you want to do is tap on this newbies -4 and then right here, click on Midjourney bot. Tap on the option profile. The profile of Midjourney bot will appear. Tap on add to server. Select one of your server in which you want to add the Midjourney bot. Tap on authorize. Simply click on this checkbox. And there you go, the Midjourney bot has been successfully added to that server. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add Midjourney to your private server. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.